Welcome. In front of me is a HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend it, and somewhere this jumble mess of different icons you should find a screen recording one. And if it doesn't show up in here, you can always find it under the pencil, but I already found it right over here. I believe this is the default location of the toggles, no matter what the language will be set to, so hopefully you can find your toggle in the same exact place. Now once you do, you can simply press on it. This will ask for permissions to record audio, so it needs access to microphone. Screen recording. Okay. It gives us two options, or two information. Microphone. So when it's blue, it will be recording mic, and when it's white, it's not recording any kind of audio. And then we also have the timer for how long you've been recording. So let's select got it. And you can see it's already recording. So whatever you'll do right now, like it's supposed to, it's gonna record it, any kind of app. And once you're done with it, you can simply tap on it, and this will automatically save the recording. Now, once you have saved it, or stopped it in this case, you can find it in your gallery application. It does create a folder called videos where it will be storing it, as you can see. And you can also locate it in the screenshots for some reason. So there is the recording, and that's basically how you can record your screen. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.